What's up everyone? This is Mac. I'm going over my trades on NQ Futures using the bag indicator for Friday, February the 7th, 2025. I'll go ahead and say I took no trades today, and I'll show you why right here. So, as I stated in my last video, I'm not taking trades this early. This was actually before my kill zone started, original kill zone, and we never got a good test of the 21 until right here at the open candle. So I did not take a trade before here, and then I thought, okay, we test the 21. If the open candle closes good, I'll take it. Well, it closed too good and ended up being a washout. This was from 879 to 928, 929. This was a 50-point body of a candle. This was a washout. So my washout strategy is to take like halfway down the body, and clearly that never happened. It had a little tiny wick right here and kept on going. Now if I had just bought right at the close, we would have hit the 1-to-1 and come back and been break even. So, but still, I did not take because it was a washout candle. Now another thing is there was news being released at 10. You see right here, start coming down before news, and then news is very bearish. We came all the way down. So it's like, okay, we're gonna trend down now. So I was hoping, thought process was, this candle was gonna come up about in this area and be red. Well, it came down, back up, and was neutral still. Then this candle was the signal. Now I also did not take this candle because it as well is a washout candle. From here to here is over 40 points, and I consider that a washout. So again, I tried to wait till it was right here, and it didn't. It actually would have hit the target if I had just taken it on the close because there was enough momentum down. Selling here, this is 740, and it got down to 687. So that was way more than the 45 points we wanted. So I did miss out on that one. And then through here, these are just very violent candles. You see it came down and then retraced from 687 back to 730. So that was another 43 points coming back up. And then like wick to wick, these are huge candles. This is a nice rejection, but it's not the 21 yet. This purple line, so I didn't go over that. This purple line is the bottom of this 830 news candle, and I've got one for the top of the news candle there. So we're kind of coming up, slowly coming back, staying in this little range. Thought, okay, maybe we'll hit the 21. Well, we hit the 21, and then this was some kind of Trump tweet or something. I don't know exactly what this was, but this was top to bottom 180 points. So then we're just back in this chop of these huge candles. Here's a 21 test and close, but the wick is too big here. 715.50 to 758. Just this wick is over 40 points. So if I'd have taken this based on my strategy, we'd have gotten wicked out right here. This is the only play that could have worked. The second 21 test. The sell here would have worked. Sell of this candle would have worked. We would have had a win. But I didn't take it. And I think by this point I had already just decided I'm not trading today, and I locked my account out. So we stayed red. I mean, it was eventually a trend down here. Bounced back, went neutral. Looks like we're going to go bullish. Nope. This candle's huge and down, and then we got another sell signal after 2 o'clock. This was literally the 204 candle. And this one would have played out if taken, but I wouldn't have taken that one anyway. So there's my day. No trades, nothing gained, but also nothing lost. I just wanted to explain why I didn't take a trade. Nothing really lined up with the bag indicator and my strategy based on what I've seen. Now, yeah, just blindly taking the signals, that would have worked, and then this later one would have worked. But yeah, and then right now we're getting another one here at 3 o'clock. We'll see if that one will work. I mean, I definitely would not take a trade after 3 o'clock, but still nothing lost today. So we're on to Monday. For the week overall, in my main account, I'm still positive. I had 2 good green days and 1 red day, and then 2 neutral days. The bad part is I got my other 2 accounts activated on the day before my red day, so both of those accounts are still in drawdown. But next week's a new week. Overall, I was 5 wins and 5 losses for the whole week. So we'll see what comes next week. Catch you later.